Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about operators in C language. So first of all, what is meant by operator? Operator means it is a symbol used to perform certain operation between variables and values. So in C language we have two types of operators, binary operators and unary operators. So first coming to binary operator, so see here A plus B, it is said to be a binary operator. Okay, so because why it is a binary operator? For binary operators, we have two operands. So here A and B, these two values are called as operands and plus is said to be an operator. Okay, so A plus B, it is a, here A plus B, it is a binary operator. Okay, in binary operator we will have two operands, A and B. Here A and B are operands and plus is said to be operator. Next coming to unary operator, for unary operator there will be a single operand. So here see A plus plus, that means only a single operand A and plus plus is said to be a unary increment operator, right? Similarly B minus minus, in this also we have only a single operand B. Okay, so if you are going to perform any operations on a single operand, then it is called as a unary operator. So in C language, we have various types of operators. So what are the various C operators? Arithmetic operators, increment and decrement operators. Next one is assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators and bitwise operators. Okay, all these are C operators. So first coming to arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators means it is used, this arithmetic operator, it performs mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. Okay, so all these operations will be performed by these arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators, it performs mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. Okay, so next coming to so here these arithmetic operators we will perform on binary operators, right? A plus B, A minus B, that means here we are using two operands A and B. Okay, so these arithmetic operators we will perform on binary operators only. Next coming to increment and decrement operators. So increment and decrement operators means plus plus minus minus like this. So increment and decrement we will perform these operations on unary operators, right? So unary increment, plus plus means it increases, this is called plus plus, it is called as increment operator. So it this plus plus operator, it increases the value by 1 and minus minus means it decreases the value by 1. Okay, so these operations we will perform only on unary operators. That means on a single operand we will perform these increment and decrement operators. Okay, next coming to assignment operators. So what is the purpose of assignment operators? These are used to assign the values to the variables. Okay, so all these comes under assignment operators. So assignment, plus assignment, minus equal to, star equal to, by equal to, percentage equal to, all this comes under assignment operators. So mainly these are used to assign the values to the variables. Okay, next coming to relational operators. So relational operators are used, so here by using these operators we can check the relationship between the operands. If you want to check the relation between two operands, you can use these relational operators. That is, if A equals to B or not, A is less than B, A is greater than B, A is not equal to B. If you want to check the relationship between two operands, then we have to use these relational operators. Okay, next coming to the logical operators. So this mainly these logical operators we have three types, logical and logical or logical not. So mainly these operators are used for decision making in C language. So next coming to bitwise operators, bitwise and bitwise or, bitwise exclusive or, bitwise complement, left shift and right shift. So these are all comes under bitwise operators. So mainly these bitwise operators these are used in C programming to perform bit level operations. That means a bit by zeros and ones are called as bits, right? So on these bits, if you want to perform manipulations, that means if you want to perform some operations, then you can go with this bitwise operators. Okay. So these are the various operators in C language. Now let's learn about each and every operator with an example program. Okay. So first coming to arithmetic operators. So here this is my program using arithmetic operators. Okay. So here see, first initially I have included the header file stdio.h. Next, coming to the main function, I have declared three variables a, b and result variable, and here for two variables a and b I have initialized some values. For a I have initialized to 10 and for b I have initialized to 5. Okay. Next, result equals to a plus b. That means the first arithmetic addition I have performed and that value is stored in the result variable. Next, I am going to print the value of sum. Okay. Similarly, I have performed a minus b operation, that is arithmetic difference, arithmetic subtraction, and that result is being stored in the result variable and I am printing the value of the subtraction. Similarly, a star b, the multiplication operation I have performed and the result is being stored in the result variable and I am printing the value of the product. And next, division operation, that is a by b. Okay. The output is stored in the result variable and I am printing the value of the division. Similarly, the modulo operation. So modulo means always it will consider the remainder value. Okay. So that value is being stored in the result variable and I am printing the value of the result. So here in each and every printf statement, the sum is %d. %d means it is the format specifier. As I have taken the variables as integer. So here the format specifier for integer is %d. Here I have used slash and slash n. So these are new line characters. That means after printing the sum value, the cursor will go to the new line. Okay. And it will print the value of the difference. Okay. So like this I have written the code using arithmetic operators. Now let me run the code. So see here the sum is 15. Here my variables are, the values of the variables are 10 and 5, right? So the sum is 10 plus 5, that is 15. The difference is 10 minus 5, that is 5. The product is 10 into 5, 50. The division is 10 by 5, 2. And the remainder is 10 divided by 5. If you divide 10 with 5, the remainder will be 0, right? So like this we have to write the code using arithmetic operators in C language. Okay. Thank you.